Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be talking about what are the top 3 most important skills you need to master in sales. And without further ado, let's get started. So the number one skill that comes to my mind is objection handling, as it is the most crucial and base lay foundation type of element in sales. If you are able to handle those objections and just truly find out what's the real behind concern about that objection, like I do consider it as a concern whether the prospect is giving you certain kind of objections, like this is too expensive for me, I need to talk to my spouse, I don't have any time, I'm not interested, call me back later. So these kind of objections you need to handle it very carefully and with a very base tonality that can absolutely crush your prospects status quo, and you can maintain level to taking the prospect to their current situation, to their desired situation, with any kind of sales objection handling framework. So yeah, that's the one you need to particularly focus on. The second one is tonality. As every internet sales guru tells about tonality, master your tonality in sales. You should absolutely not sound scripted, and it doesn't not sound like a robot speaking to a prospect. So particularly focus on your tonality and just make the call as very humanly, like you talk to your friends, your family members and your close ones. That's the reason you have to call to your prospects. So it should not sound to him like a salesy, a pushy salesman trying to sell his product or service. And to be very honest, you have to master your tonality by practicing more and more and more your scripts, so that you can get a hold of it, and without reading any script to your while making calls, you can absolutely make out your commissions for your sales call. So the last and the third one in this video, I would love to talk about prospect time blocking. And so 80 to 90% of your time should be based on prospect time blocking, and it based on three, not three, four things that work on it. And particularly the number one is your inbound calls, and number two is your outbound calls, and number third is your cold calls, and the number fourth and the most important is following up. And all of these four things make to lead a very successful closing sales structure that can help you generate your prospect time blocking activities. And that's the path where most of the sales people make a lot of money. And yeah, you like this, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and just give me suggestions if I need to improve on something, and I would love to do that. So day by day I'm improving my skills and uploading consistently on videos. I need your support, and just waiting for your response how this video comes to you. And yeah, for that, till then it's totally dependent on that. And nevertheless, if you want to gain more of your wisdom in sales, you can absolutely go for some books. So currently I'm reading this one, To Sell is Human by Daniel H. Pink. If I know, I think you can't see or not in this video. And yeah, To Sell is Human by Daniel H. Pink, and it tells the surprising truth about persuading, convincing, and influencing others. So yeah, this is absolutely a fantastic book. I'm going through the process of this book, and if you are too interested, you can buy through Amazon and just gain more of, invest in your knowledge and learn a little bit more about sales. So yeah, that's all about this video. So till then, bye bye.